My name is Paul Aouad. I'm a senior project lead here at Vention, and welcome to PACK EXPO East 2024. The next product that we'll be talking about is one of my personal favorites. With Vention's remote support, you now have the ability to connect with our customer success engineers from around the world. Also, you have the ability to screen share, chat, and directly live stream using the front and back-facing cameras of Vention's pendant. By having your machines or your applications configured in the cloud, you have the ability to solve issues on demand. It's fast, easy, and solves problems in real time, helping reduce palletizer downtime. Now with Vention's remote support, rather than wait days, weeks, or even months for the automation troubleshooting and issue resolution you need, talk to an expert wherever and whenever.